Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to block unknown callers on your Samsung phone. So for this guys, first you need to open the phone app on your Samsung phone like this. After opening the top right side corner of your screen, you can get three dots. Just tap on it, and from here you need to open the settings. In the settings you can get the option block numbers. Just tap on it. From here you can get the option block unknown private number. If you want to block the unknown caller on your Samsung phone, just you need to enable this option. That's it. So from here you can easily able to block the unknown caller on your Samsung phone. So that's it for today guys. This is a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.